Here's how cold this is.
It's 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hell yeah, my man. You love to hear it. Thank you for paying attention. All right. I promise you'll be fine. Don't be like Dave. Don't be like Dave. All right. First thing you can see, it is inside of here. It is actually boiling, right?
I got it.
You can see it like that's actual, vapor cloud forming. I'm going to show you. Oh, please don't post these. I should be wearing a mask and an apron.
What?
Oh, really?
I gotta post these.
Oh, yeah.
These can't go to waste.
We'll do it the right way.
These
We'll do it
can't
the
go to
right way.
waste.
All right.
Thank you. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Corporate's here.
Thank you.
Might be out of my job.
You burst into flames and die.
Corporate's here.
There we go.
Come on, guys. You didn't remind me.
Sorry.
Oh,
No, we're having a good time. We're having fun. All right.
I can't hear you.
Oh shoot. Do you need me to speak up?
Yes.
So here, you guys can hear it, right? You guys can actually hear that boiling? Yeah. No, that is the liquid nitrogen boiling right now. So it takes a minute for the vessel that it's in to cool down, but once it kind of like stabilizes, you can see it start to fill up, right? It takes a minute for it all to cool down. So here, come. All right, so the first thing I want to do, pretend this is a fire hose. This is a liquid natural gas spill. Here, I can take it off now. We're not handy. I can take the mask off anyway. All right, so
Taking a picture.
this is a liquid natural gas spill. This is a fire hose. This is what happens. You guys see, like, that's what will happen on a much larger scale if you put water on an LNG fire. You see how this vapor is behaving right now? This is a really good example of how it kind of flows out and moves down, and as it starts warming up and becomes lighter than air, that's when it's gonna start, going into the atmosphere. If you're over here, right, like you can actually see it kind of rolling down the table over here. Right. It is cold. It is going to act like propane until it warms up. Once it warms up, that's when you're in a fine position. Until then, and you can see like all this ice over here, like there's still a lot in there. And again, all of that vapor is flammable. That is fuel for whatever fire is burning. Do not put water on an LNG fire, please. All right, that's number one. Number two, I gotta get my tongs. Dominic.
Stick your hand in there.
No, don't do that, please.
Now,
Oh, there you are.
there it is.
How's that feel? How's that compared to how it used to be? It's a little cold. Give it a bounce. I love the energy. That here. Who's got the other one? Who's got my squishy one? Who's got my squishy one? Oh, there it is. Look at that. Oh shit!
She's gonna pay for that.
All right, so that is.
To a cat.
The purpose of this demonstration was to break all your stuff and also to show you what happens when normally ductile materials like this racquetball become embrittled by cryogenics, right? Like obviously it didn't bounce anymore. The properties very, very obviously changed, right? So it'll do that to you and to anything that it touches. So don't put things you like in cryogenics. unless you're doing it to show off for a fire department. All right, last thing, I'm giving you guys the abridged version, but the last kind of demonstration I wanted to show you here is going to be, let me get my other thing. So, what I'm doing here is going to be demonstrating that relief valve and those energies that are associated with it. So just pretty quickly, right, we're gonna let it cool down for a second, and then this is what's happening inside of that truck, right? Literally the whole time. There's nothing you can do to stop it from boiling off. And again, this comes out at like 60 to 80 pounds. That's gonna be a lot of ass behind it, I promise. Much, much more than this. So, really, really important. Just keep yourself safe. Stay away from the relief stacks. Make sure you know where the wind is blowing, because that's going to affect how that vapor is dispersing. And don't put water on an LNG fire. Use your meters. Do you guys have any questions for me about anything that we've gone over tonight?